Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno4 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll until you'll find additional settings. Let's enter them, and on the second position we've got date and time, so let's tap here. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide what clock format we want to use. Now we are using 12-hour format. In order to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. What's more, now we are using network provided time and time zone. In order to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, we've got an additional setting, the time options. So now let's tap on the time zone first of all, and let's find the time zone you want to use. For example, this one. Simply tap on the one you want to use and it immediately changes. So the same situation will be with the time. Simply tap here, and here by swiping you can change the date and the time. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, here we've got some additional settings. We can set home screen world clock or dual clock. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switchers right here. If you want to get back to all previous settings, so if you want to use, for example, network provided time, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. Of course, in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here and turn it off. So that's all. This is how to set date and time in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.